Wisdom Wednesday, week 4 here on the topic of initiative. If you missed week 1 where we defined it, or week 2 where we talked about the dark side of what we need to understand, or even week 3 where we talked about the trifecta of what initiative really is, make sure you scroll back on our social media or our YouTube and check those out. Here as we dive into week 4, we're talking about the bigger projection of initiative and how it's going to make a difference in our life. Initiative is a lifelong habit that reinforces long-term benefits within our personal goal setting. Of course, we can want things. Of course, we could even put pen to paper and write these things down for our goals and whatnot. But if we don't get off the bench, if we don't put one foot in front of the other, we'll never reach those goals that we want so bad, right? So we got 2 quotes to sum up this last week on initiative. The first one here says, initiative is the spark that lights the fire of accomplishment. I'm going to hit that one more time. Initiative is the spark that lights the fire of accomplishment. Think about that. It's going to light you up and get you in the game, right? Second quote here for this one says, success seems to be connected with action. Go figure, right? Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. So I'm here to tell you, get off the bench, get in the game, right? And then keep going. Don't stop. Stay consistent and keep pushing. And then share that energy and that spark with everyone else.